You know that feeling when you discover a product so genius you wonder how you lived without it? We've got 20 of those for you today. These aren't your average Amazon purchases. These are the viral, trending, game-changing gadgets that everyone's talking about. Trust us, your cart is about to get very full. WYZE Cam V4 Smart Security Camera. The WYZE Cam V4 is dominating home security in 2025. This compact smart camera captures crystal clear 1080p HD video day and night with infrared vision. It works seamlessly with Alexa and sends instant alerts to your phone when motion is detected. With weatherproof design and two-way audio, you can monitor your home from anywhere, keeping your family safe and connected. Hands-free neck fan. This discreet hands-free neck fan has taken TikTok by storm with over 3,000 five-star reviews. Featuring 3 cooling speed settings and up to 16 hours of battery life, it's perfect for outdoor concerts, theme parks, or your daily commute. It looks like you're wearing headphones, but you're actually staying cool all day long without lifting a finger. TAGRY Bluetooth Wireless Earbuds. The TAGRY Bluetooth earbuds offer an incredible 60 hours of playback time with their wireless charging case. The LED power display shows exactly how much battery remains. They're IPX5 waterproof and feature premium sound quality. Perfect for workouts, commutes, or daily listening, these earbuds deliver high-end audio at an unbeatable price. Makeup Brush Cleaner Machine. This automatic makeup brush cleaner has gone absolutely viral on TikTok with over 10,000 five-star reviews. Just fill the basin with warm water and soap, slide your brush handles into the silicone cap, submerge them inside, and tap the power button. Within seconds, your brushes are perfectly clean and ready to use. It saves time, saves money on replacement brushes, and transforms tedious cleaning into something effortless. INIU Portable Charger, 10,000 milliamps. Never run out of battery again. This ultra-compact portable charger packs 10,000 milliamps of power, enough to fully recharge an iPhone multiple times. It features fast charging technology and a built-in USB-C cable, so you never need to carry extra wires. At just 8.2 ounces and 3.2 inches long, it slips easily into your pocket or purse for power on the go. Revlon One-Step Hairdryer Volumizer. This TikTok viral hair tool has become a beauty essential with over 400,000 five-star ratings. It combines a powerful dryer with a volumizing brush to give you salon-quality blowouts at home. The oval design creates lift and body, while the ionic technology reduces frizz and static. It's significantly more affordable than high-end alternatives while delivering professional results every single time. Govee Star Light Projector. Transform any boring room into a mesmerizing nebula paradise. The Govee Star Light Projector displays stunning cosmic patterns on your walls and ceiling with vibrant, adjustable colors. It's app-controlled, so you can customize the lighting effects to match your mood. With a 4.4-star rating and compatibility with Alexa, this projector creates the perfect ambiance for relaxation, parties, or romantic evenings. Bissell Little Green Carpet Cleaner. The internet-famous Little Green machine is worth every bit of hype. This portable carpet and upholstery cleaner tackles tough stains on carpets, car interiors, and furniture with professional-grade suction. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly effective at deep cleaning. Whether you have pets, kids, or just high-traffic areas, this gadget makes stain removal surprisingly satisfying. Candle Warmer Lamp. Enjoy the cozy ambiance and fragrance of candles without any flames. This elegant candle warmer lamp melts wax from above using a gentle overhead bulb, eliminating smoke, soot, and fire hazards. It features an automatic shutoff timer for safety and makes your candles last significantly longer. Perfect for pet owners or anyone who wants worry-free aromatherapy throughout their home. Electric Wine Opener. Say goodbye to broken corks forever. This electric wine opener effortlessly removes corks and foil in seconds with just the push of a button. According to Wine Talk, it's an absolute game changer for hosting dinner parties. The rechargeable battery lasts for dozens of bottles, and its sleek design looks stunning on any countertop. Wine night just became infinitely more elegant and stress-free. Mini Desktop Retro Fridge. This adorable retro-styled mini fridge is perfect for keeping drinks ice cold at your desk or storing beauty essentials. It holds up to 6 cans and features both cooling and warming functions. Use it for beverages, skincare products, face masks, or ice rollers. Its compact size and vintage aesthetic make it both functional and Instagram-worthy, adding personality to any space. Anker Soundcore Motion 300 Bluetooth speaker. Anker's reputation for quality shines with the Soundcore Motion 300. This waterproof Bluetooth speaker delivers 30 watts of powerful stereo sound with deep bass. It provides up to 13 hours of playtime on a single charge and features exceptional Bluetooth range. Compact enough to carry anywhere, yet powerful enough to fill any room, it's perfect for parties, outdoor adventures, or home listening. Blink Outdoor 4 Wireless Security Camera. The Blink Outdoor 4 offers 2 years of battery life with crystal clear 1080p HD video day and night. Monitor your property with infrared night vision and two-way audio communication. The included sync module makes setup incredibly easy, and you can view live feeds or recorded clips directly on your smartphone. Protect your home with this reliable, weather-resistant security solution. Rechargeable hand warmers. Winter just got a whole lot cozier. These portable, rechargeable hand warmers provide soothing heat on demand with multiple temperature settings. They double as power banks to charge your phone in emergencies. Compact and lightweight, these slip easily into pockets or gloves. Whether you're commuting, skiing, or watching outdoor sports, these hand warmers keep you comfortable all season long. Silicone Face Ice Roller. This TikTok sensation instantly soaks up excess oil and depuffs your face. The rolling facial tool can be used on clean skin or over makeup without disturbing your look. Keep it in the freezer for an extra cooling effect that reduces inflammation and tightens pores. It's reusable, easy to clean with soap and water, and provides instant refresh whenever you need it. Electric Spin Scrubber. Transform your cleaning routine with this viral electric spin scrubber. It features 4 interchangeable brush heads and an adjustable, extendable handle that reaches high surfaces and tight corners. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, tile, grout, and more. It saves your energy while delivering professional-level deep cleaning. It's especially valuable for people with mobility issues or anyone tired of scrubbing by hand. Tile Mate Bluetooth Tracker. Never lose your keys, wallet, or bag again. The Tile Mate attaches to anything valuable and connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. When you misplace an item, simply use the app to make your tile ring loudly, even from up to 250 feet away. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices and integrates seamlessly into your daily routine for ultimate peace of mind. Sunrise Alarm Clock with wireless charging. Wake up naturally with this innovative sunrise alarm clock that gradually brightens over 30 minutes, mimicking a natural sunrise to gently ease you awake. The built-in wireless charging pad powers your phone overnight, and you can customize wake-up sounds and brightness levels. It also features a sunset mode to help you fall asleep peacefully, making it the perfect bedside companion. Scrub Daddy Cleaning Sponges. Don't let the cute smile fool you. Scrub Daddy sponges are seriously effective. The texture changes based on water temperature. Firm in cold water for tough scrubbing, soft in warm water for gentle cleaning. They're perfect for glass stovetops, dishes, and countless other surfaces. Odor-resistant and long-lasting, these viral sponges have earned their cult following with legitimate cleaning power. 3-in-1 Magnetic Wireless Charger. Eliminate cable clutter with this sleek 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. It simultaneously charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods with fast charging technology. The magnetic alignment ensures perfect placement every time, and the compact design looks elegant on any nightstand or desk. It's the ultimate charging solution for Apple users who value convenience and organization. There you have it, 20 amazing Amazon finds that gadget lovers absolutely need. These viral products combine innovation, functionality, and incredible value. Which one are you adding to your cart first? Don't forget to check the links in the description, and happy shopping!